any classroom training for PMP in Bangalore in a near future, my recommendation is that you probably don't take a classroom program for PMP, or even if you take, find a program which runs at least for a month, not to go for a 3 days, 4 days program and then finish everything and assume that you will be able to do PMP. Because the content of PMP is need to be experienced, absorbed, and related, you know. So it's not like that we just push all the information in somebody's head. Now it may work if you have been doing project management for a while, if you have studied all the project management on already, and you just want to have a closing of it and integrate everything into a one framework and then give the exam. Then attending a 4-day stretch class is a good idea, or a 3-day stretch class is a good idea. But if you have not done that, my recommendation, irrespective of provider, city, or wherever it is, I think it's not a good idea to go for a one short class. Now, what should you can probably do instead is find a program which is spread in some time duration, so that you also get some time to do something in between. Yeah. So that's the thing. And my recommendation would be that usually the online classes gives those options, but if you can find a classroom program giving that option, that will be also a good idea. But usually I see the online programs gives you that option. And our online program also has good amount of pre-recorded content, which makes you ready for the class and also assist you after the class. So in general, this package is better one than the going for 1 day or a 3-4 days direct class. We stopped doing these classroom sessions 7-8 years ago. So we started with PMP, I think in 2012 13 we were doing that, and then we realized it is becoming like people attending the class and not giving the exam. The ratio was pretty high, and our goal was not to just keep doing class and don't worry, you know, whatever happens to them, we don't care, we have delivered our service. We wanted to have a closer, we wanted to have people getting certified and then coming to us and saying, we got certified, they get a value, we also get a value, we get more references. So we wanted them to certify, just not to sit in the class, because our cycle was not completing. Then I decided to shift to an online mode before in around 2013 14, and that started working because first only the serious people were coming, the casual people, so the whole segment got changed, and people who were coming, we could support them, we can keep them hooked for a long time. And then we started seeing people giving the exam ratio increasing significantly, and that made us also feel satisfied with the PMP program. So that's what our view. But again, yeah, there could be a thing here and there.